with the introduction of AI, now students have started doing their work using AI. But as of now, also universities, colleges have come up with the idea that they are using different different parts, like different objects, to detect AI generated content. Now I also came up with this way how I can humanize why my work looks like as if it was written by me myself. Now you need to be having some certain, like, let us use a ChatGPT. Let's say write a 300 word story about slave about slave trade. Now as you wait, when it has started writing, this is the story. So let's copy our story. Let's first copy our story. We need to first test whether it's AI generated or not, using some different apps. So different apps where you can test whether your work is AI generated. You can use Quillbot, you can use Zero GPT, you can use more. Like here, let us use Quillbot to test whether this work is 100% AI generated. First do the same kinda. After doing it, go to AI detector, you paste your work. This is our work. I pasted it. It's around 200 it's around 282 words. Now let us stay there. Showing we have not yet pressed C00, so we can press detect AI. If we press detect AI, it's going to count and show us which percentage is it AI generated, saying it's 63% AI generated. So that's where our content is. It's AI generated 83%. Now we still have that same story. You open the app. It's called Crowd. When you open Crowd, you paste your work, your story. Like this is the story I had written using ChatGPT. I go down and say humanize my work. Now for it will generate for you a written in a human way, so that it cannot be detected by other detectors. Not that at the first time when it writes, it's always like it can. At first, it can't humanize it to 0%, but you keep phrasing it again. Now it has given us something like this. It has copied the whole of this one. It is where the percentage of AI generation it has. Test and see the percentage of AI generation it has, though we made it using AI. These are the only ways how you can bypass the detectors, the queryable, the Grammarly, the chat zero, but every AI that it takes AI generated content. So it has generated us with that. Now let us paste the same work. I don't know how copied from Crowd. Crowd is now, this time around, Crowd is better than ChatGPT, Gemini. Crowd is more advanced. Let us detect this. The one we humanized using Crowd. Now you see it's showing us that it's 0% AI. The means it is 100% human, and it's not refined, but it's 100% human. That's why I told you that you can use AI to generate the content and also use AI to humanize the content so that it can bypass different 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 AI detectors. So that's the only app you can use to humanize. You can also use other apps to test whether your work is AI generated. For example, you can use Grammarly, use Quillbot itself. You can use ChatGPT, so it's the same as Grammarly. You can also use other apps that are also in existence. So it's all about being creative. That's the only way you can win up this battle between your lecture and you who has used AI to generate your work. So stay tuned, endeavor to subscribe and like for more videos.